be on somebody's beach with somebody's son. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another headband wig. I am obsessed with these headband wigs that I see all out there on the internet, on social media, on Instagram, here on YouTube as well. I am just obsessed. These are the most convenient wigs out there. So they are also very beginner friendly for anyone who just wants to experience wearing some different hair on their head. If you want to try a wig, this would definitely be one to start off with for sure, before you jump into the lace portion of a wig. So today's unit comes from AERYN21. That's how I'm going to pronounce it. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. So they sent me this unit as well as some headbands that I'm going to show you guys. So before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and follow me on my social media platforms, which will be right here on the screen, as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video. Can we talk about how cute this packaging is? This is the most adorable packaging I have ever received. I love this black on black with the black bow and the black box. This is just adorable. I love it. So once I open the package up, on top we have a package full of shampoo and conditioner. Actually, like, this is just full of a bunch of packets. We have our headbands, which I will show you in just a second. And then we have the wig, which is in this nice cute velvety packaging, and they have their logo here. I've actually already taken it out and taken a quick peek at it. I wanted to know what I was going to be working with. And then here is the wig. So there's this cute one that is full of a bunch of different colors with leaves on it. We have a mustard one as well. I love a good mustard color. And then here we have, I think this is leopard, or is this cheetah? You know, I always get the prints mixed up, so it's one or the other, but it's those prints. Last but not least, I also took a look at this one too because I really wanted to see what it was. You have a bedazzled one, you guys. It's a bedazzled headband. I'm so excited for this one. I am so excited for this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the wig put on and styled and see what she looks like. So I'm going to show you what the inside of it looks like and how it's constructed. So you have basically like this band going around the whole wig, so there's no lace. And then here is the Velcro attachment just to make your wig a little bit tighter, as well as some combs that are inserted in, and you do have adjustable straps. I'm not going to do the adjustable straps today since I have this Velcro band here that I'm sure I can adjust with how tight I want it to be. And then you have combs at the top. I never really use the combs that are attached in my wigs. Most of the time I usually cut them out because I always use some type of glue or adhesive. But since this one is a wig that is made without any lace, we ain't gotta use no glue or adhesive. So let's get her installed. So here are the two elastic pieces or Velcro pieces. So I'm just going to pull them to the back and attach them. That feels very secure actually. This is looking good so far. And what I'm going to do first is edges. I'll be using this 24-hour edge tamer. It's by the brand AERYN. Obviously, as you can see, I really do like this edge control. It smells great and it holds really good as well. And since this hair is just a tad bit flatter than what I would like, I am going to just kind of tease it and comb it a bit, and then I'll probably add a little bit of water, just a little bit, just to give it just a little extra pizzazz, because if I get a little closer, I think you guys can see it on camera though. It's pretty, it's cute, but I need it to be just a little bit fuller. And I have a feeling if I add some water and comb it out, it'll get a little bigger for me. You see this side compared to this side, it looks, see this side compared to this side, it looks a whole lot more just lifelike over here. So we're gonna go and do this side. I want to start off with the cheetah one because I really like this one. So here's the cheetah one. I like her. Next we'll do the mustard. Like this one. It's giving me like tropical vibes. I need to be on somebody's beach with somebody's son. Hello. Hello. Right. And now we have made it to the one that I have been obsessed and waiting for. This bedazzled one. The bedazzler. The bedazzler. Let's see what she looks like. Why does this have me so excited though? Why am I so excited for this? Why? It is doing no justice on camera right now. No freaking justice. This thing is so bright and shiny. I'm obsessed, okay? I am obsessed. Obsessed. Period. Guys, so that shows you every single headband that I got with this unit. So because I'm feeling a little friendly today, I am going to, I'm just joking because I'm always friendly, I'm going to do a style with this, at least in a ponytail or so, or maybe a bun. Not quite sure yet. We'll see how it reacts. I'm thinking. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we have us a ponytail, one that feels very secure. So what I really like about these headband wigs is that they are so grab and go. You know, they are literally like, I need to run to the grocery store, I need to run to the mall, I need to run to a family member's house, a friend's house, I need to run to the gym. That's what I really appreciate about these wigs, is that they are just so convenient. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have it in the description bar below where you can purchase it from. They do have some options for you as well on their site for the actual headbands if you are interested in getting any. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.